Jay tell me keep going, we gon' get rich. Knee deep in the game, tryna call it quits. I'm about to know. Can't wait, get a check, say we went legit. I just reached another goal, check it off the list. Diamonds dancing on my wrist, cost a couple trap niggas still to fill a shoebox with that dog shit. Still a hop on that road, even though it hot. Only thing in this bitch is vacuum sealing pots. Never been a hater, nigga, meet you at the top. Sit stand behind a nigga, so I can't stop.